What is up, gutter guys? This video is for you, especially if you either are about to buy a gutter machine or if you just bought a gutter machine. And now this video will be relevant no matter what kind of gutter machine you got. It's all about how to make the most of that gutter machine, how to make it more efficient, how to make sure you're not wasting materials, and what kind of software can help you do that. In particular, we're talking about ArcSite today. We have hundreds of gutter professionals out there in the field quoting gutters using ArcSite. And what we've heard from all the guys out there using ArcSite with their gutter machine is how much time and how much efficiency it's saving them in the field, especially when they're just cutting and cutting and cutting. There's no more guessing. There's no more accidentally cutting the wrong one. After you're done doing your site drawing, you'll have an instant list of all the exact measurements that you need to go to your machine and create. So of course that all sounds all nice and dandy, but how do you do it? All right, well, let's get into it. I'm using an iPad Pro today. You can do this even on an iPhone, any iOS device, but this is something you would take with you to your bids to help do three things. One, you can use it to do a site drawing, and that's gonna give you your list of what kind of cuts you're making for the project, and we'll show you all how to do that. And two, it's how to convert that into a proposal. So you can also use it as a way to get your customer to sign, to close your deal, and to not have to go back and forth with estimates. You can just do the measurement in one visit and have your estimate done. So we're gonna dive in here and I'm gonna show you how it all works. So let's do that. All right, so this is ArcSite. We're gonna start with a final product and then I'm gonna go back and show you exactly how we made everything here. So as you see, we have a legend down here. So the purple is gutter, where in this case, gutter is going around the entire side of the house. We have our splash guards that were installed here and here. And then we also have miters throughout the entire drawing, as well as our downspouts, which are indicated as the 1SDS on the four corners of the home. So that's the basic, and it was really quick to draw this. And again, I'm going to show you how to do that right away here. But also, because I'm stuck inside, it is raining outside, just to know what happened during this drawing. So basically, you show up and you're going to take a picture of the outside. And we did that in this case. This is what the home looks like. We used our freehand drawing tool to just kind of draw up stuff. So as you see, it's in red. You can draw basically whatever you need. On the drawing here, we can say gutters. And then we also did a photo of the backside too. So here is the other side of the house. And again, we used red to kind of indicate to the customer where the gutters will be. We have the legend, everything's great here. And then we have the takeoff and estimate. And now this is the part that's going to change the way you use your gutter machine. So everything here is accounted for, down to the number of downspouts we need, splash guards, miters, and of course our gutter legs. Now let's tap into this gutter. Now what you see here are the exact runs of gutter you're going to need. So when you have your gutter machine, there's never going to be, it's just going to save you so much time. You don't have to handwrite anything. You're just going to simply draw out what the project's going to look like. And then on this takeoff screen, you can literally pull this up and then you do a 26-foot gutter run, a 27-foot gutter run, another 26-foot, a 4-foot, a 19-foot, another 4-foot, another 19-foot, and another 19-foot. And boom, you're done. You know exactly what to do. Now that's where the efficiency with the gutter machine comes in. So now I know what you're thinking. Maybe your gutter machine or the sheets that you buy are in a certain length. So if they're only in like 10 feet sheets that you're feeding into the gutter machine. Now that's totally doable too. Now all of this information is stored in the back end of your system. So if you tell the system that the maximum length of a gutter is 10 feet, it will itemize this to fit that exactly as well. So it's totally customizable to any needs and to fit any company. So that way this list will still be perfect for you and your company. And while we're on the screen, I do want to show you just so quickly the final drawing that you can get. So of course we have payment here. We have our additional data, everything you can imagine. You can attach marketing materials like a brochure. That's all can be preloaded. And then let's go ahead and click export and show you what you would show a customer to close your deal on that first visit. So we're going to go right here to our customer proposal. Boom. And now this is our final output. And what you see here is everything you need. Of course, you could have your customer information. You do that when you start your drawing. A line item breakdown of what the customer is buying, so there's no questions and you can totally walk them through the sale. And then a great drawing to totally answer any questions they have. You have exactly what they need here. You can itemize everything, and those photos I showed you, they're also included. So we have everything you need. You can annotate, okay, yes sir, I'm putting the gutters here, and we have a downspout going right here. And then finally, of course, all the extra marketing information that you need to include. And what I'm going to do is show you how to close that deal. You just have them sign, and then you insert that right on the customer signature line. And it's that easy. So we're going to discard this. We're going to head back. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to create. So let's go ahead and delete all of this. So I already did an outline, and we're going to go into our products field over here. Now, here's where you can have all of your company's products loaded up for you, all ready to go. We got 5-inch gutters, we got 6-inch gutters. Whatever it is that you offer your customers, you can have preloaded. You can have 2-story, 3-story downspouts, whatever you need. And the prices associated to it is already going to be in there because you do that. So if you are buying this for your team, think of how many times you've dealt with guys who make mistakes quoting or offer something that maybe you don't even have. So you as a sales leader can load up the exact products, and literally anything that's brought into the drawing, you know you have, and you know the pricing is going to be right because you've done it beforehand. So if every time I drag in these downspouts, let me just show you. They're already calculated right into your takeoff and estimate report. So let's draw in our gutters. Now we have our downspouts. I think we had them about here and here on the other drawing. Products. And let's choose our 5-inch gutters. And we're just going to go right along and draw them in. Boom. And we're literally done. 2 things. 1, let's create that legend. We have our, it looks like I used 2 different downspouts, but you get the hint there. And then we have our 5-inch gutters with eave heating. So we have our legend there. Let's say you really wanted to take it the extra mile. We can add some shrubs. Move this around the outside. And of course, you can dress it up as much as you want. That's totally up to you. You can add front doors, you can add windows, but let's be for real, you probably just want to get in and out. And this is all the information you really need. So let's go ahead and do that final takeoff and estimate report again. We have everything accounted for. A few product details here. Here's another great feature. If you want, you can have that banner here. Let's show you that again. Again, just to make sure, especially if you have like new guys on the team or whatever, you can have a banner like this pop up to make sure that your guys go in there and they answer these undefined questions. So install method, what kind of straps you're using. Let's do a roof strap, removal and disposal. Maybe you're charging to get rid of the old gutters. All of this stuff you can have required. This, for instance, just needed the installation method required, but you can mark multiple things required if needed. We'll do save and close. We can do, and you don't have to go through each one. So if I go to bulk editing, we can make all of them. I think I chose roof strap, and boom, they're all done. And I think that's the most of it. Obviously, there's so much more you can do in here. And that's why I want to offer you guys the opportunity to reach out to us on our website for a free demo. We can maybe even show you what your products look like in here. Anything you want to see, we'd be happy to show you around the app. So first of all, congratulations on your new gutter machine. It's just going to be a huge time saver and awesome move for your gutter business. And if you want to take it to that even next level, please reach out and we'll show you about ArcSight, because the two of them together is really going to speed up the way that you guys do your quotes and install way faster and scale your business and make more money. And we're here to help. So please reach out. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Larry, and I'll see you around.